We're now in my mom's Boss garage, looking today at the Guardian 3/4 horsepower belt drive garage door opener. Now here's that red button right there. Let's see how it sounds. Wow, that's a pretty nice opener. Now let's close it. Wow, great opener. It's just the thing right there, but no breaking or anything. I thought it was about to break, but not quite. I'm glad it should be fine. Well, this is it looks like an 8-foot garage door. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a little bit taller. It's a really tall garage door. It's making that buzzy noise, same sound that sounds like the Chamberlain Whisper Drive, and also a Craftsman Die Hard. I know you guys sounded like it sounds like a Genie Silent Max and a Chamberlain Whisper Drive and a Craftsman Die Hard. That's what the same sound, and it goes. I know you like that sound. That's the sound that sounds like a Chamberlain Whisper Drive. As you can see, there's a lock button and light. That's a great opener. And well, no breaking or anything. Well, that's the great opener. Alright, so thank you for watching that video at the Guardian garage door opener, and hope you enjoyed. So see you later, and take care of that video about that garage door opener as a Guardian weird garage door opener, and goodbye, and see you later. Bye.